Love.
Yeah, more like tough love.
Thank you. Hello, it's me. What's you?
Yeah,
This was our car.
very nice. I think we had to pick a place to do the shooting, and I wanted it to be meaningful. Thought it would be nice to remember where everything started.
So I was the vice president of the student association. And
Very impressive.
one of the easy things if you're Dutch and you do an international MBA is you already know the ways through the city, so it's not so difficult to impress people.
So I texted him and I said, "Yeah, what is there to do in Rotterdam?" Because I thought, okay, maybe, I give him a hint, and then he invites me to do something, and then Maarten sent me a list of the top 10 places to go in Rotterdam. And I was like, didn't you get it? Like, how did you have your MBA? I mean, and then I replied, and I said, yeah, but what are you going to do? And then he said something like, yeah, I'm going out with my friends to have a pizza or something. And I was like, yeah, really not working. And after that, Maarten said, okay, I would like to take you on a date. And I was like, oh, this is nice, but I have one condition, that he would pick me up on the bike.
Yeah, it's
Nice.
been 12 years, 13 years that we were here. Now we come with a car and no longer with a bike. So
We bought the house a bit before the wedding. We had our first daughter, and now we are really in the suburbs of Rotterdam, like living the Dutch life.
yeah,
But I think that's also very symbolic to where we are in our relationship, like about to put a second seat.
yeah.
So it's that's a difference from coming here with the bike and now coming here with the car with two children seat. It's nice to see that things change, but certain things don't change. You still see the students running around the campus because they are late, and I can relate to that.
And I just like commenting. So I say to them, "Oh, if you're late, you should get up earlier. And you
Run a bit faster.
Yeah, run
That's-
faster. Yeah."
We see a lot of people skipping studies nowadays because they just want to go straight to the market. And I always think, like, keep studying, go to the university, do something else, travel, but keep studying.
Yeah, invest your money in personal development.
Yeah, and
I
then
think that's
you might end up with a nice family.
personal development is a very broad definition. So yeah.
No, it's fun. It's fun. Yeah.